Hi everyone, this is Jem again and welcome back to my channel. So today we are unboxing my new Simpson helmet. But before that, if you're in the Bay Area, we are having a block party at a Bayshore School in Daly City, California on October 29. The address is 155 Oriente Street, Oriente, if I'm not mistaken, Street in Daly City, California. So NCPR, NorCal Pinoy Riders, has been invited to show some bikes over there. But even if you're not NCPR, come over, join the party. There will be a car show as well. There will be a lot of vendors. There will be performances of like groups and individual singers. 96.5 KOIT will be there, DJ Santos, and a lot more. So yeah, come join us. There will be trunk or treat, so bring the family. It's also a Filipino American Heritage Month, so that's why we are invited to represent Filipino culture, NorCal Pinoy Riders. Again, everyone is invited, so come over. We have a designated spot over there, so if you go there, our roll-in time is at 9:30 in the morning, and I believe the event starts at 11:30. So yeah, join us. Now, moving on to the Simpson helmet. So I got the Speed Bandit. It was like around $280, I believe. Plus there's a Pinlock. It's supposed to be sun reactive. So like my Bell helmet, the transition visor, although this is just the Pinlock which goes behind the visor, so it's anti-fog and transition as well. Maybe in the future, if they make a full visor, I might switch to that. But let's open this. Enough of the talking. Okay, so you can see normal box. Oh, don't want to drop that. And like any other helmet, a normal helmet bag. Oh, and there's another one. Just a liner to prevent scratches. Alright, let's see. So this is the Speed Bandit. I've never had a Speed Bandit or any Simpson helmet before. I had one close, but it's for a car. I used to drag race. It's a RJ's. It looks almost like this, but I still have it, a white one. But yeah, so I bought a size large. It says here 59 to 60 cm for a large. I haven't tried it on, so we'll see how it fits. But I usually get a size large for any helmet that I buy. So there is like vents here, like 6 in front. You cannot close them, so be aware of that. There's also 2 on top, 2 exhaust vents on top that you cannot close as well, and 1 at the back, and that you cannot close. But yeah, looking inside, it feels good. It doesn't feel cheap, although $280 is a good price. I like that. I won't say cheap. It's not like my Schubert. Obviously it has like felt inside or whatever that thing is, but this works. It looks like it has a cutout for speakers. I'm not sure if it'll fit though, but I guess it depends on the size of your speaker, but I'll try. I usually just buy a set of speakers and move my my device to whatever helmet I'm using. So yeah, let's see. It has a clear visor. I've seen like gold and mirror or even red visor, but like I said, I have the transition one, so I don't want to go with the tinted, so I can use it day or night. I don't like switching visors all the time. So this one has a lock, so if you push that up, you won't be able to open it. It stays locked. Push it down and you'll be able to open it. So this one has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 stages. Okay, 4 stages. Okay, for opening and closure. So yeah, let me give you another 360 view again. on the side, on the back, and another one there, and back to the front. I think it looks pretty rad. Now I have a club style, you know, match the El Diablo. I actually bought a matte black because I'm planning on having this painted, you know, like maybe pinstripe over here, like El Diablo style, or some gold leaf maybe. I don't know. We'll see. I'm undecided on that. I do know I'm going to paint it or have it painted. All right. Now let's see the sun reactive fog resistant lens. That's a long name, but Pinlock. Oh, also before that, let me try this on. How can I talk about a helmet and not wear it? Okay, I like it. I don't think I need to break it in. Like most helmets, they're pretty tight on my cheek because I have like chubby cheeks. So this one fits really well. So that's a plus. And again, let's open this Pinlock transition visor. Okay. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it comes with a little wipey thing. It still has a film. It should be clear, I believe, but there's a hint of like green. I don't know. I'm colorblind, so you guys tell me. Anyway, let's test the transition part. So I'll cover the half of it and leave the other half under the sun. Let's see if it changes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my Bell helmet usually takes a few seconds to transition, and that one's a little darker. This one is just smoked, so we'll see if you can see the difference. Bam, I can see it. Definitely see it. I don't know if... Oh, let's use this little cloth. Go down. There it is. There's the difference. Transition, clear. Dark, clear. Smoke, clear. So it works, I guess. That took a few seconds, but it works. That's the most important part. So yeah, can't wait to wear it. I'll probably wear it today. Just go around town, see how I like it. And again, we have a block party October 29. We'll see you guys there if you can make it. If not, then we'll still have fun. See you guys on my next video. Bye.